Hey guys, it's Angelo, Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching my Real Estate Insider podcast. Today we're actually talking about the best time to actually lock your mortgage rate. You may be buying a home, you might be doing a refinance, owner-occupied, investment property, second home, and your lender may not tell you when it's actually the best time to actually lock your interest rate. Today I'm going to actually show you on a graph on the bond market to actually when's the best time to actually lock your interest rate. Interest rates, they change every single day, just like gas prices, guys, just like the price of gold or silver. Interest rates change all the time, just like that as well. And there's a better time to lock a rate, and then there's not such a good time to lock a rate. And usually interest rate, mortgage rates, they kind of follow the 10-year Treasury bond yield. So whatever the 10-year Treasury is doing, you can kind of get an idea about what the interest rates are going to do too, the mortgage interest rates, okay? So it's not 100% accurate, but it's the closest thing, probably the 99% accuracy. If you follow the 10-year yield, and right now, the 10 years at 0.66%, it's at all-time lows, right? So that means that mortgage rates are going to be at all-time lows. And we'll look at over the shoulder here, actually go over the shoulder. We'll take a look at it right now. In fact, I'll show you, if you look at this with me, the 10-year Treasury chart, and this is in the last, let's just look at it first in the last 2 years. You can see exactly where the 10-year was. So 2 years ago, in September 2018, the 10-year yield was, hovering around 2.79%. Okay, you see that right there? I made it over almost 3% right there. That means interest rates, mortgage rates are higher. So when the interest rate on the 10-year yield goes down, mortgage rates go down. We're in a pandemic right now. It's August 2020, and you can see right now, look at where the Treasury is at. The 10-year Treasury is at 0.66%. So when that yield goes down, that's a better time to lock the rate, okay? If you see on a daily basis, let's just change this to a daily graph because this is over a 2-year horizon. A mortgage takes 30 to 45 days. So you're going to say, well, Angelo, I'm closing next week, and so let's look at it after 10 days. So more importantly, let's follow it in the 10-day chart. So you can see, look at the last 10 days on August 6th, okay? You can see where the yield was. The 10-year yield was at 0.52. That would have been a better time to lock your interest rate. Now the yield's higher, it's at 0.67%. That means that your mortgage rate's probably a little bit higher. Interest rates have gone up in the last week. So my point to you is that if you're looking to buy a home or refinance or get a mortgage or whatever, and your loan officer is not giving you the information or telling you when to lock your rate, look at the 10-year yield. See what the 10-year yield is doing. If that yield is going down, that's a good time to lock the rate. You can get a better, lower interest rate. It could be 10 basis points lower, 20 basis points lower, whatever it is, but you can follow this. You can say, well, I looked online, Angelo Christian said to follow the 10-year Treasury and interest rates are actually lower, and it's true. Interest rates are lower. This is a great time to lock your interest rate. Historically, we're very low with 10 years, but obviously if you're looking at a more of a daily level, when that 10-year yield goes down, that's a better time to lock your interest rate versus when it's higher. So I hope this information has been great. Remember, we are a nationwide lender. We're not just an education channel. We offer residential mortgage loans, a minimum $200,000 or higher nationwide all over the country, right? If you're doing investment loans, owner-occupied, FHA, VA, USDA, commercial, whatever, give us a call. We'd love to help you at 832-431-633. Or you can click on that link below to get signed up to actually get pre-approved. We'd love to help you to get you a home loan any way we can. I also love you to check out all my other YouTube videos. We have hundreds of videos on our YouTube channel. We've been doing this for a really long time. We're working really hard to grow our channel, so subscribe, get more information, check us out on Instagram, and watch my next video, guys.